What's up, foodie gang? I'm back with another new video, and this one is all about what I eat in a day living in Spain, part 2. As a foodie myself, I have so much love for Spain. I have learned so much about food here and about cooking. And with that being said, let's go ahead and start with our first meal, breakfast. When I don't have anything at home, I love to go to my local bakery and get a napolitana, which is of cheese and ham, or also queso y jamón in Spanish, and fresh squeezed orange juice that I make at my house. The oranges in Spain are quality, so make sure you try fresh squeezed orange juice and napolitana for a classic Spanish breakfast. And with that being said, it's now time for lunch. And for lunch, we are going to have the best quinoa bowl in the whole entire world. And my friends, this is such a banger. All right, my fellow foodies, so I need you to pay attention right now. Things are getting serious. The base of this quinoa bowl is quinoa. And then we are going to put all of our magical toppings to make this all come together to the beautiful concoction that it is. Let's go. Also, please note, I do have a video making the best quinoa bowl in the world. So if you're interested and want to cook this quinoa bowl, make sure you check that video. I'm going to link it up in the cards and in the video description. So make sure you check that out. It's super easy. It's just a quite laborious process, not gonna lie. But it is so worth it. And with that being said, we're going to put our first topping, which is sauteed mushrooms. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of mushrooms, a little bit of onions. Put that all together and voila. Second topping is our black bean salsa. Black beans, corn, pepper, onion, tomato, lime, salt, pepper. Voila, magic. Third topping is classic pico de gallo, cilantro, tomato, onions, lime, salt, and that's it. Fourth topping, shredded carrot. Fifth topping is jalapenos. Sixth topping is roasted potatoes. Seventh topping is grilled chicken. And the last topping is cheddar cheese. Voila. Last, but certainly not least, chimichurri. And remember, fellow foodie, if you want to make the best quinoa bowl in the world, make sure you check out my video that takes you step by step. Last but certainly not least, it's time for dinner, and we're going to make a quiche. A quiche is eggs, and I usually love to put vegetables in it. This day I put roasted potatoes. I cooked it for a little bit before I put it in the quiche, so it was cooked a bit. And I also did that with the zucchini, and then I put a bunch of vegetables in this. To be honest, I kind of just cleaned out my fridge with this quiche. I love the quiche for that reason, and then I just put cheese on top. And look at how beautiful this quiche came out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Everybody loved it. I also have a recipe on how to make a super easy quiche that I will link, so make sure you check that out. And last but certainly not least, on what I ate in a day living in Spain for dessert was apple pie. This is a super easy apple pie. And guess what? I have another video on how to make this super easy apple pie. So make sure you check that out. I had this with a little bit of whipped cream on the side, and that was my dessert for the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about what I eat in a day living in Spain. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.